Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after the device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on and you can see Huawei logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up just like this. In the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the second option, clear data, and then wipe cache partition. After a few seconds all the cache will be deleted from your device, then you select the back, restart, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.